18 wheels and head of steam running from the sun. Got a deadline today in Frisco before the road gets cold. I cried when I read those woe-some words and the story that they told. No trucks north of Las Palmas Road, no trucks north of here. I started out as a turnaround, could end up a long haul, I fear. Well, I ain't hauling prudence, livestock in the back. I'm moving cold hard steel like things for land track. No saving cream or wire, a screen in this here one-way load. But the side I read and what it said, it wouldn't matter if I was hauling gold. No trucks north of Las Palmas Road, no trucks north of here. What started out as a turnaround could end up a long haul, I fear. If I had a nickel for every detour I've had to take, I'd buy me a can of green spray paint, bet you I could make that highway sign more friendly and easier